In a bowl, I already have about 2 pounds of chicken wings. Now I'm going to pour in Red Bull until they're fully covered. Believe it or not, this is going to give you some seriously delicious wings. If you like sweet and savory food, you have to try this chicken. I'll cover the bowl and let them marinate for 30 minutes. In a skillet, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter and stir until it melts. This butter is going to help give the wings a richer flavor and a beautiful golden color. And since the chicken was marinated in Red Bull, it's already starting with a sweet, unique flavor that will caramelize really nicely once it hits the pan. Now I'll take our marinated wings and place them in the skillet. Fry them until they're golden brown on both sides. And before I forget, tell me what city you're watching from so I can give you a shout out. Today's shout out goes to Emily Carter from Phoenix, Arizona. I'm so happy you're enjoying our recipes. In a small bowl, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 3 tablespoons of mustard, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of oregano. Mix everything really well until smooth. Now be honest, have you ever made chicken wings like this before? Because this flavor might really surprise you. It gives the wings that sweet and savory balance that makes you want to keep eating one after another. Now I'm going to pour the sauce we prepared all over the chicken. And I'll add another half can of Red Bull, about 4 fluid ounces, to help create that sweet, glossy, caramelized sauce. The Red Bull brings a unique sweetness to the chicken, and as it cooks down, it helps the sauce become thicker, richer, and slightly sticky. It may sound unusual at first, but trust me, when it combines with the honey, soy sauce, mustard, and ketchup, the flavor turns into something completely different. I'll cover the skillet and let it cook for 30 minutes. The aroma is amazing. There's this sweet caramel smell in the air. To finish, I'm going to sprinkle some green onions on top. This is optional, but I like it because it gives the recipe that fresh, slightly sharp flavor that balances the sweetness of the sauce. Look how delicious this is. From now on, you're only going to want to make chicken wings this way. They're just that good. Enjoy.